It's a pretty nice fan. This is the switch for it. Yeah, that's low.
You seem very smart and intellectual. I mean that sincerely.
Yeah. Well, it makes that buzzing sound on low.
I think that's the motor.
Yeah. It could also be because that maybe some parts could be loosened or something. Yeah.
I try and use it sparingly. I don't use it all the time.
Yeah. This is the speed that was on before.
You gotta remind me of a old friend of mine who saw my parents' clock, and he was really into clocks, and he had that one just like it.
Yeah.
That was super fast.
Yeah. And it goes good for hot weather too. Ooh, it shakes a little.
Shaking the lights out.
Yeah. Yeah. That's what it looks like.
That was a little too fast for it, I think.
Yeah. Looks like I think it's because that some of the blades are like out of balance.
Yeah. If you had your balance it, you can't throw it away. You can fix it.
Yeah. Yeah.
We're about ready to head out for some ice cream.
Yeah.
Is that called mud or mud pie, chocolate ice cream way?
I'm not sure which.
Yeah, it's better than Rocky Road. It's either called mud or mud pie.
Yeah. Here's the top side. Yeah.
Or it might just be mud ice cream.
Yeah.
You ever hear that word?
Oh, the ice cream shop? Yeah.
I think it's called mud or mud pie, something like that.
Yeah.
Oh, I like it better than Rocky Road.
Yeah. Okay, here's a vintage ceiling light fixture.
That's a light.
Yeah, light fixture. Yeah, that's what I was gonna say.
That's kind of cool with the old fixtures, though, isn't it?
Yeah. I wonder if this one.
Yeah. Why shot that? Yeah.
There we go. Yeah, this one works. Yeah. That's what it looks like when it's on. And here's the fan again. Yeah. It's a pretty nice looking fan, though. I like it.
Yeah.
I love the design here. It's too bad they don't make these anymore, though.
That's pretty cool, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah. All right.
You see your Frigas ice cream? That's very nice of you.
Yeah.
And maybe a hamburger for Warren.
I like
He wants
that.
it.
Yeah.